Just like that, guys, we're here. guys, we're out here at our Airbnb at the Dragon. I've been incredibly busy, so it's already Sunday morning. We've been driving for the past few days. It's pretty incredible out here. So car feels fantastic. These roads are pretty insane. I'll be throwing up some clips. I've just been recording some GoPro stuff. We've been messing around, having some fun, but car feels great. No issues. We've been ripping all day long, middle of the day, no heating issues, no brake issues, no tire issues. So super happy with how the car is doing. We're gonna go do our last day of runs today. I'll get some more videos for you guys. I won't bring the camera for any vlog, but just enjoy some of the driving clips that I'll throw up, and we'll see what else we get into today. Well, boys, just like that, we are back from Tail of the Dragon. Car made it home. We were all good. No issues with the car whatsoever. We've been super solid and had a super good time out at the Tail of the Dragon. I didn't get to film too many clips. I kind of I got a decent amount of interior clips, just like while driving and whatnot. But I didn't really get too much like vlogging or any of that. I kind of just took the weekend and just enjoyed driving the car. When I tell you we spent hours and hours, we probably spent 6 to 7 hours each day just driving as part of the event. And that was separate from what we went out at night or early in the morning. So I ended up putting 963 miles or something is what went onto the M3 this weekend, and it was pretty flawless. The total trip with the Cayenne ended up being about 1,970 miles, towing the M3. No issues. We did really well. We did have a flat on the trailer, but that's kind of not car specific. So we got that replaced and we were all good. A little bit of a long trip on the way home, but otherwise car did super flawless. But she has definitely seen some better days. In terms of cleanliness, it is absolutely filthy now. So we're gonna get it washed up here soon and get it looking how it should. But it was a super good time. I had a blast out there in the mountains. Kind of just enjoyed the trip with a bunch of friends, and still got some clips for you guys to watch. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.